In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your own one-of-a-kind sales funnel with an all-in-one website builder, CRM, and e-commerce platform. Roll that intro. Hey guys, it's Joel Garman here with Videoshift Media. We're all about equipping you with the best tools, knowledge, and practices to level up every area of your video creation and marketing skills. Make sure you stick around until the end of the video because I have some additional bonus content for you where I'll be going over my top 3 tips to create a high converting sales video for your business. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can find all the links mentioned in this video in the description box below. As a fellow content creator, you'll probably understand the importance of marketing. Without marketing, your business would eventually fizzle out due to the absence of new customers. So if you haven't already put time and effort into this mission, now is the time to start. And one easy way to start is by building a website, a sales funnel, or better yet, both. Now, I for one definitely understand that creating video content alone takes up a ton of time. So when it comes to website and online marketing tools, I don't have time to learn coding or anything too tricky really. So I look for simple, easy to use tools that will help get the job done. So for those who don't know, what is a sales funnel? And why might you want to use one? Well, a sales funnel is basically a strategy that leads customers to your product. The top category is the biggest one and represents potential customers. The bottom category represents the committed customers, which is why it's smaller. When it comes to funnel and website builders, you have a lot of choices out there. If you're new to the funnel and website building world, and you need something that is easy to use without the need to code, then I highly recommend checking out Usability. I set out to review this service and I can honestly say that I've been very impressed with the amount included in the features, so let's jump right in. Step 1, create an account. Don't worry, you can actually sign up for a free trial of Usability and you don't even need a credit card to get started. Simply sign up using the link in the description box below and enter your name, email, and choose a password. And that's it, you're in. The best way to get started building a funnel is by creating a landing page. Your website's landing page is the first impression potential customers will instantly have of your business, course, or product. So take time to make sure that it looks great. A good landing page will also encourage visitors to sign up to your email list or subscribe to the website. This gives you that all-important contact information, which becomes your first line of communication in warming up your customers before they make a purchasing decision. You might be saying, but Joel, how is a landing page different from a regular website? Well, landing pages sometimes can also be called lead capture pages. Focus your visitors' attention on one particular offer, limiting the distractions of everything else you would see on your website, which usually markets your whole business. Visitors are on a landing page for just one single purpose: to obtain an offer by completing a lead capture form and filling in their details. With Usability, you can scroll through several different landing page templates to choose the one that suits you best. Once you've chosen your favorite one, simply click View to see the template in action. If you're happy, click Start with this theme. Then you'll be asked to type in your website name to get started. With its smooth drag and drop builder, you can easily customize your landing page any way you like. And the best part is Usability doesn't require any coding to get started. Now, while that may not be great for web developers out there, it's perfect for the everyday entrepreneur like me who doesn't want to spend hours learning how to code. A massive inbuilt feature is the e-commerce online shop, where you can sell anything from physical products, digital products, online services, or even membership programs. You have fully customizable product listings and checkout pages for your growing online shop with one-step checkouts, one-click upsell and downsell tools, bump offers, and subscriptions. And guys, the big one to know about this one is there are no transaction fees on any plan with Usability. Other builders like Weebly force you to choose between Square or Stripe, and you can only even choose Stripe on their most expensive plan. And even then, they still charge you the standard 3% and 30% on every sale, I think. So usability gives you way more options with payment processors here. You've got Klarna, PayFast, PayStack, PayU, Stripe, TwizPay, Braintree, Mobile Pay, AuthorizeNet, PayPal, and 2Checkout. You can literally try them all if you want and get the best rate for your online transactions with no limitations like other building platforms. And when I say customizable shops, I mean you can add different variations from each individual listing of your products. Even the payment side of things is customizable, as you can accept recurring payment plans from your customers in order to bring in more sales. This is super easy to manage as well, which I'll go over shortly. Again, in your shop you can set up automatic or code-based discounts for different promotions you're running through video ads on Facebook or Instagram, for example. You've also got an intuitive order management panel where you can monitor all your orders from one dashboard. For those selling physical products, you can set your shipping and tax rules as well. With usability, you can integrate your favorite apps. So if you're used to using apps like MailerLite, MailChimp, or ActiveCampaign, you can use them all with no problem. I've found integrating to be a real pain on other website builders, with integration being locked away in more expensive plans mostly. This is not the case here, as it all goes through Zapier, which is a third-party integration manager, so you can integrate literally thousands of apps to your site on any usability plan. On the sales and conversion side of things, usability also supports A/B testing, which lets you test your pages and pop-ups to see what converts best. And with its analytics tool, you can monitor and understand your traffic to see how it's performing, which will help you optimize the flow of your funnel. Tools like this really help to understand which parts of your funnel are working well and which parts need refining to get more people to where you want them. Usability also has a CRM function, which is super helpful. In case you didn't know, CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. This tool lets you track and manage all of your leads and sales in your own CRM section once you have their details. This is great for learning exactly who is interested in your products and who has bought them too. The member section is cool in that you can easily manage each customer's subscription and cancel them anytime. This is great for those running online courses or coaching programs. This whole platform is also desktop, tablet, and mobile friendly too, so you won't have any cross-device formatting issues. Usability is a big time saver as an all-in-one platform to really start taking your online business to the next level. So that's why I was interested in an all-in-one platform in particular. I have been using usability for some time now, as I wanted to give you guys an honest review. And I found that the interface is easy to use and the funnel process pretty streamlined. And the platform is packed with useful features as well. The pricing is actually not bad at all compared to other platforms out there that don't include all of these features. For $29 a month, you can sign up monthly or as low as $19 a month on a yearly personal family plan. You can get started with one website with up to 20 pages and one specific funnel. If you're part of a small team, you can have another admin to help with the workload too. You get 5 gigs of storage and 10 gigs bandwidth, a free website domain, hosting, and all the analytics and tracking and priority support are on any plan as well, which is quite cool. The big thing to note on the personal family plan here is the features down the bottom that are included. Guys, the potential for return on investment here, even at the starter plan, is huge. You've got up to 5 store products on your online shop and up to 25 website members if you're running an online program, and 0% transaction fees. I mean, this is really good value. And it just gets better from there, as these plans really seem designed to grow as you grow. When things are going well and you've started to see traffic and money come back in, you can move up to the business plan for not much more at $39 a month to get an additional 4 funnel pages, 5 website admins, and the big ones, 100 store products and up to 200 website members for your online programs. Once you have that consistent income sorted and a good workflow for your marketing funnels, the growth plan at $59 per month gives you unlimited store products, unlimited website members, and up to 30 funnels. It's pretty cool to see the potential for growth here, and the usability plans are definitely designed to support that. So there you have it. Now, as promised, it's time for our bonus content. In today's social media world, video reigns supreme, and a high converting sales video is one of the most valuable assets in your marketing arsenal. Here are a few tips to create a high converting sales video for your business. Pro tip number 1, outline the key problem that your product or service can solve. Explain the current issue that customers and prospects have, and then outline the solution that your product or service provides. This is all about explaining the problem that you're solving from your target customer's perspective. What are their pain points, and how does that make them feel? Pro tip number 2, tell a story. A story will keep viewers engaged and provide entertainment, enlightenment, and information. You know your customers best, so if you feel that incorporating humor, statistics, or even sarcasm makes sense, then do it. You don't need to be getting complex here with video ads, but your story should definitely have a beginning, a middle, and an end, or a call to action. Try reading your script to a friend and see if it makes sense to them. If they start asking questions like, what is the video about? You know you've got some changes to make before you can go and film it. And my final pro tip is to be concise and use statements that keep viewers engaged. Once you've written the video script, read it out loud. Make sure it sounds as natural as possible and doesn't come across with too much fluff. If you can get a message across in 2 minutes, that's great, but if your viewers only have, say, 60 seconds, you might lose them. Try to think how you can get them to your landing page or your funnel as fast as possible while still telling your story. Well, there you have it, guys. How your funnel will look depends on the way your business operates. Always keep your end goal and your target audience in mind to help you shape your video content. Once you've established a funnel, it becomes that much easier to find fresh ideas to attract new customers and lead them to that funnel. Now, if you're ready to get started using usability to build your next funnel, check out the link in the description box below where you can sign up for a free 2-week trial to usability. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn that bell on as well so you get some notifications. I also have a bunch of free marketing resources and all of the film gear and editing software I use to make these videos over at videoshiftmedia.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.